Okay, everybody, all kids sit right back because tonight it's bonfire night. So we all are going to go outside and watch all the fireworks. Yeah, I love bonfire night. Yeah, I love the big bangs that they make. Yeah, me too, but I'm obviously thinking that it will be a bit loud. So I'll bring my headphones. We're going to wait until night time, then we'll go outside. Do you have any spare headphones for me? Yes. Thank you. Okay, everybody, as you know that fireworks are dangerous, so make sure that you don't stand very close to them. Okay? Don't stand very close to where the fireworks are. Got that, everybody? Yes, teacher. Ooh, guys, it's night time. We need to go. Okay. What about my spare headphones? I'll go and get them now. No, I will. Okay. Here's your spare headphones. Thank you. Now, everybody, we're going to go. Yay! Okay, all kids, gather round. Ready? When will the fireworks start? We've been waiting ages. Quiet, dude. We've only just got here. I'm in the wrong place. Everybody, fill this gap up. Now, everybody, hold your hands with each other because the fireworks are going to start by now. He was going to say. How you doing that? Just wait. Whoa! Boom! Boom! Guys, stand back. We're too close to the fireworks. Boom! 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 Has anybody known that bonfire night is actually very loud? Okay, everybody. I was supposed to say that. Okay, everybody. It's starting to rain. It's raining. What are we going to do? Come on, guys. Back into school, okay? Oh, keep on raining again. That was okay. Everybody go back in your seats. Not bad. Okay, who like bonfire night? Me, yay! Okay, guys, next week, we're going to another bonfire night. But your grown-ups will be there with us all too. Yay! This has been the best bonfire night I ever had. Yes, we had it at school. Okay, everybody, you can go home now. Thank you. Wow. I think the kids really like bonfire night. I'm coming too.